2019, and we're at Sebring 2019, the 15th running of this show. Looking at some of the spaces that are being set up here at the show, we've got a bunch of empty spaces yet as people are still arriving, but there's Scott Sebring and his teammates assembling the Jabiru J250 series. 250D it is now. You'll see a number of airplanes, including those from Tecnam. There's a Bushcat in the foreground. Tecnam is right here on the field, so their airplanes are displayed. There was a Cub Crafters as well. Here's an Auto Gyro. There's another big indoor display tent. Lots of people still in the setup phases, of course. The good folks at Bristol Aircraft USA are pretty well set up. They also represent that Aventura S-17 seaplane, the beautiful STEMI motor glider. Here's a Bristol an owner is selling for you. Space is still awaiting the people that are going to arrive, but one that's here all the time is Lockwood Aircraft, the maker of the very handsome Aircam, my favorite twin-engine airplane without a doubt. There's the Aerotrek A240 already in display, and these big tents down here, these are workshops. Zenith is running one of those, going to tell people how to do some work. There's a Husky, behind it a Titan Tornado, and some long, slender-winged pipistrelles. Several aircraft already here. Beautiful blue sky day, sunny, 75 degrees. There's the folks from Czech Sport Aircraft setting up their sport cruisers. And here is the #1 selling aircraft, single model, in the light sport aircraft, sport pilot eligible space. That's the RV-12, of course. Some more SEAREYs and those red airplanes there. We haven't seen those for a while. What are they? They're breezers. And the CTLS behind that, represented by Tom Pagini there, and his wife Natasha giving us a wave. But we're real pleased to see that they have named the show center after its original founder, Bob Wood. Hope you can come. Join us.